Guided by the vision of Maharashtra State Faculty Development Academy (MSFDA), the journey of transformation began at Jalgaon University on 17 to 23rd August. Over the 6 transformative days, faculties from across Maharashtra came together to explore cutting-edge technologies, hands-on training, and the spirit of innovation. The morning concluded with an inspiring address by Mr. Suraj Babar, Head of Center for Cutting Edge Technologies at MSFDA. He highlighted how, with continuous faculty development programs, MSFDA is working to bring new education policy alive in the state of Maharashtra. In the second half of day 1, the academic journey continued with the sessions from School of Life Sciences. Faculty members were introduced to cutting-edge facilities through expert-led sessions. Professor Bhushan L. Chaudhari guided participants through the use of HPCL and bioreactors, while Professor K. S. Vishwakarma demonstrated the complexity of plant tissue culture. Professor Satish Patil explained the role of biocontrol agents, and Dr. Naveen Dandi introduced the application of gas chromatography. The day concluded with a calm and a peaceful session of heartful meditation, allowing participants to recharge and reflect, a fitting close to the inspiring day 1 at Jalgaon University. At Jalgaon University, every day began with yoga, led by Dr. Leena Chaudhary, refreshing participants with energy and focus. On day 2, the spotlight was on chemical sciences. The morning session introduced the university's facilities through insightful lectures. In the afternoon, participants engaged in hands-on training. Professor R. S. Bendre helped participants learn about pesticide formulations. Dr. V. V. Gite shared expertise on polymer processing and testing, and Professor Deepak Dalal introduced hands-on application of UV spectroscopy. These sessions transformed theoretical concepts into practical experience. Day 3 began in the University Institute of Chemical Technology, becoming the stage for discovery. Professor J. B. Naik took the participants deeper into the world of rheometers, while Dr. Tushar Deshpande revealed the insightful offered by DSC DGA analysis. Finally, Dr. Patil unfolded the possibility of FESM, showing materials at microscopic level. This led to an afternoon session where participants were divided into groups, hence moving beyond listening to doing. The excitement of hands-on exploration made the learning truly come alive. Day 4 began at the School of Mathematical Sciences at Jalgaon University, focused on power of data and technology. Professor R. L. Shinde and Professor Kirti Kamlaje introduced participants to statistics with Minitab, demonstrating how numbers transform into meaningful insights. At the School of Computer Science, Professor Ram Teke and Dr. Rakesh Gedam guided participants through software tools for research, blending theory with hands-on practice. In the afternoon, participants left the campus in a cheerful, fun-filled bus ride to Jain Irrigation Systems. The journey itself became a moment of bonding with laughter and lively conversations. Jain Irrigation stood as a living example of how innovation and sustainability can transform farming, contributing not only to the betterment of India but also making a meaningful impact on the world's food security and environmental future. At Jain Irrigation, they explored future farming technologies, visited world-class laboratories, and observed advanced plant tissue culture facilities. The experience revealed how research connects with industry to create real-world impact. The visit concluded with a heartfelt moment at Gandhi Bhavan inside Jain Irrigation, where participants paid tribute to the father of the nation, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, reflecting on his timeless vision of self-reliance and sustainable progress. Day 5 was a day dedicated to physical sciences and technology. The morning opened with a visit to Mobile Science Van, a traveling laboratory designed to make science accessible and interactive. Participants explored portable instruments, physical models, and engaging demonstrations. A reminder of how scientific curiosity can reach classrooms and community across the state of Maharashtra. The session then shifted towards the future of technology. At the School of Physical Sciences, the spotlight was on semiconductors. In the state-of-art clean room created under PM Usha, participants were introduced to advanced facilities for chip fabrication, electrochemical synthesis, and impedance spectroscopy. Experts like Professor Salvi, Professor Shirale, and Professor Ghosh guided them through the working of fabrication system, solar cell devices, and OLD characteristics. This lab is more than a facility. It is a stepping stone for the semiconductor mission of India. By arranging such visits, MSFDA is bringing this mission alive in the state of Maharashtra. Exposures of this quality prepare faculty to guide future researchers and contribute directly to India's vision of self-reliance in chip design and manufacturing. Day 6, the focus shifted to the School of Environmental and Earth Science, where experts including Professor S.N. Patil, Professor S.B. Atharde, and Professor V.M. Rokde guided participants through practical training in groundwater investigation, air quality monitoring, remote sensing, GIS, and noise pollution studies. Slowly but steadily, the week closed with a valedictory ceremony where participants reflected on their experience, shared their learning, and received the certificate, marking the successful completion of the 6-day FDP at Jalgaon University organized by MSFDA. The feedback was very positive and encouraged us to conduct more such programs focused on hands-on training. Over 6 days, MSFDA skillfully combined lectures, hands-on training, and industry visit, which strengthened skill and spirit of the faculty. Now, let's hear from the participants as they share their experience.
The program, hands-on training on high-end research equipment. MSFDA, in collaboration with KBCNMU Jalgaon, provides a unique experience to understand the various research equipments that will help the faculties to advance the research to next level.
Overall, the MSFDA have organized a well-equipped and hands-on training with the collaboration with KBCNMU.
Interesting part of this program was the yoga sessions which were held in the morning, and it really helped us to know that how we can take care of ourselves when we are handling so many tasks as a teacher.
All the researchers at one place and designing a program wherein all the schools of different science and technologies are being explored.